What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna do something we haven't done in a while. We're gonna take a look at some Hot Wheels mystery models I found Wave 3 of 2024 in a store called Müller here in Germany. I only collect the licensed models, and it seems like that's what a lot of other collectors also do. The thing is, there is more and more competition, and these things are harder and harder to find. The thing is, I also wanted to make a video about Wave 2. The problem was I only could find two of the licensed models. As you can see here on the poster, I only found the Hotbird and the Plymouth. I'm still missing the Ford Mustang Boss 302. So yeah, maybe I will find the Mustang, I don't know, and I can do also a video about these guys. Anyways, today is the topic Wave 3, and yeah, I have to say this is, in my opinion, by far one of the best mystery models waves in a while, especially the licensed models that I do collect. As you can see here, we got the Audi Sport Quattro, the Porsche 944 Turbo, and the Subaru WRX STI, and these are really great. Sometimes, you know, these mystery models come with a little bit of strange livery or something, but these are really cool. So yeah, let's get started with the Subaru. And here we have the packaging. As you can see, here is the Porsche, here is the Subaru, and here is our Audi. I already opened these up. And yeah, for all of you that don't know how this works, if you want to find yeah, special number of these models, you can take a look at the packaging and take a look at the second part of the number behind the backslash. And as I hope you can see it here, it's saying 03. So this is number 3, and we take a look inside the packaging, and yeah, what you get is this poster with all the models that I showed already, and you get this sticker. Here you can see Subaru WRX STI. Yeah, but the most important thing, of course, is the model. And yeah, here it is. This thing is really cool. This one comes in a flat black livery with a lot of cool deco. I would say a little bit of 90s vibe to it. As you can see, this is number 3. The other two are also numbered with 1 and 2, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I really think that these white 10 spokes are a good match for this model. I mean, still details on the back and on the front, yeah, that would have been really cool. These look, yeah, sometimes very plain when they don't have it, and this is such a cool model. And yeah, but you know, guess that's some cost saving what they do on these models. By the way, I did pay €2.50 for these. Yeah, that's how it is. But yeah, this thing definitely looks really good. And when I saw this, it reminded me on this guy here. This one is, yeah, I don't know, from a while ago. I can't find the packaging. This is, what is this? The Subaru Impreza. And as you can see, this guy comes with a glossy livery and nearly the same deco, but this one has front details, which is really cool. Yeah, this would have been also really cool on our WRX STI. Anyways, this one is definitely really cool, but it's getting better. once again, we take a look at the packaging. Here you see this is number 2. Here is our sticker. This is the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. And here it is. This one also is really, really great. I love this glossy red and this, yeah, kind of racing deco Porsche lettering on the side. It looks really good. And once again, I think these aero disc wheels are a good match for this car, in my opinion. Yeah, this is a Ryu Asada casting from a while ago. You know, a little bit of a sad story. The Hot Wheels designer that already passed away, and you can see it's not focusing. It's a little Easter egg here in the back of the car. I hope you can see it. This is yeah, a stethoscope. I think it's hard to see with all the reflection. Stethoscope. And yeah, it's a little bit of a sad story, but anyways, yeah, a really fantastic mystery model, in my opinion. I really like this one. Really, really cool. So yeah, let's put this guy to the side and yeah, let's get to the highlights of this mystery models wave, which is our Audi. Here is the sticker, the 1984 Audi Sport Quattro. As you can see, this is the number 1. And here it is. This thing, I have to say, is sick. I mean, this looks like a, I would say even, it looks even better, I would say, than many super treasure hunts. I mean, of course, this one hasn't rear riders. It comes with, let's say, regular plastic wheels, but the only thing missing here is deco on the back, but the rest fantastic. It comes with this, yeah, this color is a little bit hard to describe. I would say dark turquoise, metallic, I don't know. And I don't care, but it looks really, really, really good. Once again, could definitely be a super treasure hunt. And sometimes I have to say I don't really understand why the deco on this guy is so crisp. We don't see any paint chips, any flaws. I mean, I don't know. It's, in my opinion, it's even better than some of these premium models. Sometimes I don't understand it. And once again, also on this guy, the wheels, really good choice in my opinion. Really, really good choice. The only thing missing is deco on the back. But let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is the old Audi logo. When yeah, from the time when this thing here came out. What does it say on this? Terrain challenge. And yeah, crisp details on the front, the Audi rings. Yeah, I hope, yeah, if you're interested in this thing, you're lucky and you will find it. Yeah, I think it isn't that easy, in my opinion. I have to say, I don't know how many of these, let's say, number 1 models are in such a whole pack of mystery models. I just don't know it. I guess it's only 1. I'm not really sure. The thing is, when I found these, they were flying around the shelves. They weren't in their packaging, you know, where they normally come with. And I found 3 of these Porsches. So I guess there are 2 or 3 in one of these whole package things. I don't know. I just don't know it. But yeah, normally number 1, pretty hard to get. Really nice. You know, normally at the end of these videos I pick a favorite, but in this case, yeah, it's pretty easy. It's definitely the Audi. And yeah, that's all there is for this video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.